Okay, welcome everybody. I just realized today that I didn't post one on Friday, so sorry about that. This is from the Convertors line, evidently a knockoff Transformers GoBots thing. They licensed Transformer robots that evidently they licensed transforming robots from Japan that nobody else wanted. And with this one I sort of understand, because it's sort of a it's a really uninspired transformation. Okay, so start off with, this is Sunyak, something like that. And I don't have his gun. Evidently it looks like there is a space to grab a gun there. But you start off in robot mode, and you convert him to spacewalker mode. But I'm looking at the entry on these. It appears that these guys basically they took some of the Robotech stuff and rebranded it. They actually had Roy's what do you call it, fighter, the one with the Jolly Roger on it. Okay, evidently, and then you flip the head back, which is very stiff, but doesn't feel too fragile, and move it down. And this is evidently spacewalker mode. With cockpit, oh yeah, cockpit tilted forward, evidently. Yeah. Like I say, and then to go into Challenger mode is what they called it, which is really confusing. Oh no, wait, I did this wrong. It's supposed to. Looking at does this? Alright, evidently we're supposed to sort of halfway that. Spread the hips out a little bit for the spacewalker mode, but say in Challenger mode, all the way out. Flip the leg in. Same on this side. And I'll be honest, I don't know what this is supposed to be. Oh yeah, and flip up the floor. It looks like maybe some kind of plane or ship. But I say this one is no doubt the robot mode is definitely the best option here. I don't remember when I got this or where I got it. The only thing I can think of, there was a toy outlet fairly close to home when I was a kid, and we would go there and they would have like this sort of thing. This I don't. That's rough. And this is the kind of thing they would have with actual like Japanese writing on the boxes and stuff. So that's the only thing I can think of where it might have come from. I say the robot mode isn't bad, I don't think. The arms could use some more work, but otherwise pretty good shape. I'm pretty sure I thought I found some die cast on this, but it looks like it's all plastic now that I'm looking closer. But yeah, that's, like I say, Sunyak from the Convertors line of robots. I know absolutely nothing about them, but like I say, robot mode's pretty cool. Gotta give them that. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll dig something else out of the toy box on Wednesday.